Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Sophia Pena and I'm going to be doing Unit 8 video assignment. Okay, so for this one we actually have another word problem. Very fun. And so it says 2 ranger stations located 4 miles apart observe a lightning strike. A ranger at station A reports hearing the sound of thunder 2 seconds prior to a ranger at station B. If sound travels at 1100 feet per second, determine the equation of the hyperbola on which the lightning strike was located. Place the 2 ranger stations on the x-axis with the midpoint between the 2 stations at the origin. The transverse axis is horizontal, okay? So let's just go over what was given one more time. There's 2 ranger stations, A and B. They are 4 miles apart, and the station A hears a thunder 2 seconds before station B. We know that sound travels at 1100 feet per second, and the midpoint between the stations is at the origin, and the transverse axis is horizontal. Okay, so with all of that is given, the distance sound travels in 2 seconds, so that's our step 1 is distance equals speed times time. So it'd be 1100 times 2 equals 2200 feet. This means the lightning strike is 2200 feet closer to station A than station B. So coordinates of the station. So the 2 stations are 4 miles apart, so 2 miles to each side of the origin. 1 mile is 5,280 feet. And so once we do the math, we find out the coordinates for A as negative 10,560 and 0. And then the coordinates for station B is positive 10,560 and 0. Okay, and then we find out the standard form of a hyperbola is, we found out we have to do c squared equals a squared plus b squared, and we find out we're solving for b squared, and we find out that b squared equals, sorry, I'm looking at my calculator. It equals 110,303,600. And so the final equation for the hyperbola is x squared over 200,010, I don't know, minus y squared equals 110,303,600 equals 1. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you next week. Thank you.